Hello, hello, hello. Today is Friday, the 1st of December. My name is Andrei Buchins, and today I'm going to talk about what happened in cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, okay? Let's take a look. Firstly, Bitcoin. Of course, we didn't get a chance to get in the long position because it only took this liquidity and went up, and it's now taking liquidity on the upper side. Should we go short from here? I think it's very invitable because, as you can see, we have a lot of liquidity open on the lower side, okay? So it's very tempting to go short from here. Yes, from exactly this price and target, for example, this liquidity, this, or even lower, okay? But what is the problem? The price action is like this. It's grinding up toward psychological 40,000. Will Bitcoin explode in December or not? Okay. Will the bears get liquidated, trapped? Okay. I think yes, because anybody who is going short here is providing the fuel for further growth of Bitcoin. Okay. So you can try it. Okay, as I show you here, you have many options. Okay, you have option 1, option 2, option 3, but I think this will get liquidated. Okay, so I would be rather looking to enter long, maybe from this liquidity zone here. Okay, if we get the chance, we can set it up, for example, here and target 40,000. 40,000 Bitcoin. This is like this, and take profits on the way with the risk reward 1 to 3 would be better. Okay, this is what I would do. Regarding altcoins, there are more green than red. For example, Berlin. Firstly, the price went down a lot and then up a lot, but I don't think here is potential. I think this will go down again. And we have Walton. Yeah, Walton. This is a trading idea, but it's risky because price went up, down, so you can skip it. And we have BitShares, BTC, BitShares. Nothing to do here. Polka starter, Pulse. Polka starter. Price went up, down, rejected, no more buyers. Celestia. Maybe. This is a new project, but at the moment we are too late. Gifto. Yes, you can look for entry here. Okay, target. You see, this is the first trading idea. Gifta. Then we have Trader Joe on Avalanche. This is Trader Joe. Wave 1. Wave 2 and 3. Too late. And we have Rare and Ocean. Rare. What do we have here? Correction was here. Then we had 1, 2, 3 waves. And the last one, ocean protocol. You can set up buy order here, risk 3.5% and take profits on the way. This is another trading idea. This is it for the first day of September. Have a nice day and see you all again tomorrow. Goodbye.